I'm going to show you how to get your videos recommended on the viewers' home screens, rank on the first page of YouTube, appear in YouTube suggested videos, and rank on the first page of Google search so you can monetize your YouTube channel quickly. In order to get your channel monetized, you have to become a member of the YouTube Partner Program, which requires 4,000 public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the past 12 months. After your channel has passed a review process, which typically takes 1 month, you'll be able to monetize your YouTube videos by putting AdSense ads on them. Stay tuned to the end of the video to discover the top factors that will prevent monetization of your channel. The goal of the YouTube algorithm is to give viewers the best information that they wish to watch. YouTube tries to deliver the most relevant, personalized recommendations to each viewer based upon their browsing behavior. This is why your videos will be recommended on the home screen of your subscribers and recommended by YouTube to viewers that are seeking for that kind of information. The selection of videos that appear on the home screen depends on how well the videos have engaged the viewers. It also depends on the viewer's watch and search history. For example, if a viewer has watched a similar topic in the past, then YouTube may recommend your video based upon their watch history. If your videos continually appear on the home screen of your viewers, then you'll quickly be able to monetize your channel because you'll be getting more views and subscribers. Your goal is to rank on the first page of YouTube search. So how do you do that? You got to choose topics that your viewers wish to watch. One of the best ways to do this is use the auto suggestion feature in YouTube search. You simply type your main keyword phrase in YouTube search and it'll give you a bunch of suggestions. These are phrases that people are entering into the search engines because they have a problem and they want to get solutions for that problem. You want to find keyword phrases that have a high search volume and low competition. So how can you do that? I use a tool called Keywords Everywhere to quickly find the search volume for a particular keyword phrase. If those phrases have a good search volume, then I know that that particular keyword phrase is worth going after. Another must-have keyword research tool that I've been using for years is TUBEBUDDY. You can simply enter your main keyword phrase into TUBEBUDDY and it'll give you a keyword score that is excellent, very good, good, or poor. Ideally, you want to get an excellent or very good score. I'll place a link to TUBEBUDDY in the description below this video. Use promo code HermansBuddy to get 20% off any paid upgrade. It also shows you the number of videos in the search results that you may be competing with. If you get a good keyword score, then I highly recommend checking out the results in YouTube search. All you have to do is click on results and look at all the videos that are competing for that particular keyword phrase. If videos are not ranking for that exact keyword phrase, you have a good chance of ranking for that particular video. Just make sure that you optimize your title, description, tags, and thumbnail correctly for your video to be found in the search engines. Your title should include a main keyword phrase at the beginning of the title and then a compelling phrase for your viewers towards the end of the title. Create an eye-catching thumbnail that stands out from your competitors and also reinforces the title of your video. For your description, make sure the first 3 lines includes a paragraph about the content of your video that includes your main keyword phrase. In the rest of your description, you can link to related videos and playlists, as well as mention your social media sites. Even though tags are not one of the main ranking factors for your videos these days, definitely include relevant tags. Place your most relevant keywords at the beginning of your tags and then similar keywords for the rest of the tags. If you continually rank your videos on the first page of YouTube, then you'll quickly be able to monetize your channel because people will be finding your videos in the search engines. If you appear in suggested videos, which are the videos that appear on the right side of the watch page, below the video in the YouTube app, and the next video in autoplay, that means YouTube is promoting your videos on other people's watch pages. Suggested video traffic is one of the fastest ways to grow your YouTube channel. The main factors for getting into suggested videos are what viewers have watched before and their related and past watch history. One of the best ways to do this is to create a video series based upon a common topic. For example, if your main topic was how to surf, then you can talk about the different gear you need, different types of boards that you can use, what kind of waves to go after, the best techniques to use, and how to read the waves. At the end of each video, you suggest another topic by linking to it in the end screen. Create a playlist that includes all the videos in the series, so once a person watches one video, they'll want to watch all the videos in the series. You can link to this playlist in the cards, end screens, pin it to the top of your comments, and include it in your description. Another big factor to get into suggested videos is to keep your viewers engaged throughout your video. To do this, make sure you have a strong hook at the beginning of your video so it captures your viewers' attention in the first 15 to 20 seconds. Your goal is to keep viewers watching throughout your video and then keep them watching more of your videos in the series. Hey, if you're loving this content so far, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified about new content like this every week. If your content continually appears in suggested videos, you'll quickly be able to monetize your channel because YouTube is promoting your videos on other people's watch pages. You can get a ton of traffic if your video ranks on the first page of Google search because Google is the #1 traffic search engine. If your video ranks both in Google search and YouTube search, you can get double the amount of traffic than if your video just appeared in one particular search engine. So how do you do this? When you're doing keyword research in TUBEBUDDY, click on web searches to see if the same keyword phrases appear in YouTube search as they do in Google search. If they also appear in web searches, that means you can rank for that particular phrase in Google search and YouTube search. The same optimization techniques apply as I mentioned earlier for YouTube search. After you've created your video, transcribe your video content and post it on your blog or website. Make sure you also embed the video in your blog post. Optimize the title, description, and tags with the relevant keyword phrases of your video content. Linking to related videos in your content will help those videos to rank in YouTube search and Google search. When your video ends, make sure the next video that plays is one from your own channel instead of an unrelated video from a different channel. This will help keep your visitors longer on your blog page or website, which is one of the ranking factors of Google. Click the link in the description to watch my video on how to only show your related videos at the end of YouTube Embed. If you repeat this process for every video, you'll get more views and subscribers, which will help you to quickly monetize your YouTube channel. Let me ask you a question. How many more watch hours and subscribers do you need to monetize your channel? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. Here's a few bonus tips. Number 1, double down on your top performing videos. Go into YouTube Studio and click on the Reach tab to look at your top traffic sources. Is most of your traffic coming from YouTube search, suggested videos, or external traffic? If you click on See More, you'll be able to see the videos that are performing the best on your channel. Create similar content based upon the title of these best performing videos. If you do this, you'll be able to quickly monetize your channel because you're getting more views and subscribers for more top performing videos. Number 2, go live. When you go live on your channel, viewers usually stick around for 30 minutes to an hour, which helps you to quickly accumulate a lot of watch time. Much more than a regular video, so this will help you to quickly monetize your YouTube channel. Number 3, upload more frequently. If you're currently uploading once a week, try uploading twice a week. It probably means you have to be more organized and sacrifice a bit of TV watch time, but if it quickly helps your channel to get monetized, it'll definitely be worth the investment. What are some of the main factors that will prevent monetization of your YouTube channel? Number 1, you don't meet the requirements of the YouTube Partner Program. You got to have 4,000 public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the past 12 months and not violate any of the community guidelines or policies. For example, if you've used copyrighted content and received strikes on your channel, this will prevent monetization of your channel. Number 2, you haven't created an AdSense account that's linked to your YouTube account. As part of the application process, you have to link your AdSense account to your YouTube account to get paid by Google. Usually they send you a check if you make $100, or you can get a direct deposit into your bank account. Number 3, you haven't reached the threshold. Typically the review process takes 1 month, but sometimes it takes much longer than that. Your YouTube channel doesn't automatically get into the YouTube Partner Program once you've reached the threshold. If you haven't met the requirement of 4,000 public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within the past 12 months, your channel probably won't get monetized. If so, just keep uploading original content to build your audience. But Herman, can I still make money from my YouTube channel if it's not monetized? No worries, just watch my next video on how you can make money from a YouTube channel without 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.